In our first nature art lesson this week, we had a little section that was about rock stacking. I had some little rocks and I tried for a little while to stack them. I noticed some students were making some rock stacks as well, and one of their parents told me about an artist who works in Boulder who makes a living off of doing rock stacking. He's a rock stacking artist. His name is Michael Grab. There's a video below of him stacking rocks, and his are mind-blowingly amazing. Watch the video, maybe try a little more rock stacking, and have fun during Nature Art Week.